back to my channel. I'm Lee from Epiphany and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I straighten my hair, and this is kind of a routine. I start by applying an oil before I even wash my hair. I leave it on my hair for an hour, a few hours, overnight, depending on how much time I have. When I wash my hair, I just use a shampoo that hydrates it. That's like the only thing I look for in a shampoo. Then I use a mask that sometimes I leave overnight, but it says that you should leave it up to at least 1 minute, so yeah. Today I used the serum for the first time and I feel like it weighted down my hair, but tomorrow when I wake up I'm not going to be adding any more product. I'm just going to leave it the way it is and it's just going to be more natural and more flowy. Okay, so I have now washed my hair and I'm going to show you what it looks like when there's no product in it. I'm going to apply this to my hair first to protect it. I don't always use it, I know it's bad, and I don't always blow dry my hair, which is good. Keep in mind that my goal is just to dry the hair and get it kind of straight, but not like perfectly straight. I'm going to wash my hair and that's about it. I'm just going to show you now. I find myself back in that place. I have wasted all my tears on the fools. There was no help for me, no saving grace. I had been trying for days. There was something in the way. Why am I crying for you, babe? No, I can't stop the rain. Time to move on anyway. Don't. And this is more or less what my hair looks like after I blow dry it. I am now going to be flat ironing it. I use a steam pod flat iron from L'Oreal, I believe, and it's quite effective. It has like a little comb that helps quite a lot, and I feel like my hair just gets super straight. I personally don't do very small sections. I do this much, and I kind of do it little by little, but I don't section it that way, if it makes sense. Turn it on and set it to the highest temperature. I don't feel the need to go over the same pieces of strands of hair too many times, so I think that's fine for my hair at least. And as soon as you turn it on, you can start using it because it gets hot pretty fast. I hope you can see how straight it gets. There was something in the way. Why am I crying for you, babe? I can't stop the rain. What I do is I go over every strand of the section and then I do the roots because I find that that makes it easier for me and it just gets straight. You can't forget the roots, otherwise you get a lot of volume. Well, if you want volume, then that's fine, but I personally don't like it that much. I always have the comb part at the bottom because I find that it works better. It's better this way, and if you invert it, it actually doesn't slide through your hair as easily, and it can create a lot of frizz. So now that I've straightened this section, I'm going to be doing the roots. And to finish it, I'll just do the ends. I curve them slightly so that it looks better in the end result. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to be doing the same thing throughout my whole hair, so I'm just going to spit it out for you guys.
Mine have been trying for days. Something in the way. Why am I crying for you, babe? Can't stop the rain. Time to move on anyway. Don't ask me what is done. So long, goodbye, I'm gone. 'Cause only sun in the summer left. No holding on and no looking back. Even the sun doesn't seem to last. It don't hold on, it's not coming back. If I kept the hold a little longer, I would never think I'd ever get away. Don't want to say I tried to keep ya. Say love is blind, I couldn't see you change. No, don't wanna find myself back in that place. I have wasted all my tears on fools. There was no help for me, no saving grace. I had been trying for days. There was something in the way. Why am I crying for you?
And this is the final result. I don't add any more product to my hair because I find that it gets too greasy. I used a serum today for the first time, and I find that it kind of weights down my hair. Usually I use a cream or an oil so that my hair is more flowy, but I think it turned out alright. What do you guys think? And I don't know, I do this so that it's not as stiff. I find that it helps. And yeah, after doing that I just brush it and my hair is pretty much done. I can part it in any way. I tend to stick to the middle part or just wear it messy. Tomorrow, after the stiffiness from the serum is gone, I don't add any more product. I just wear it the way it is, and it's way more natural and lighter. So that's my tip. I hope my video was helpful for at least one of you, and that is all for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more from me. And as for me, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
No looking back.